Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the mobile app for Banco Sabadell fixed deposit. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of using the app to manage your fixed deposit account. First, you need to download and install the Banco Sabadell mobile app from the App Store. Once installed, open the app and click on the Login button. Enter your username and password to access your account. After logging in, you will see the dashboard which displays an overview of your accounts. Click on the Fixed Deposit option to view the details of your fixed deposit account. Here you can see the account balance, interest rate, and maturity date. To create a new fixed deposit, click on the New Deposit option and enter the amount you want to deposit and the term period. You can choose from various term periods ranging from a few months to several years. The app will then calculate the interest you will earn based on the amount and term period. Once you have entered the details, click on the Confirm button to create the new fixed deposit. You will receive a confirmation message and the new deposit will be reflected in your account. Summary: you can also view the transaction history of your fixed deposit account, which includes all the deposits and withdrawals made. To do this, click on the Transaction History option and select the account you want to view. In addition to managing your fixed deposit account, the app also allows you to transfer funds to other accounts, pay bills, and check your account balance. You can also set up account alerts to notify you of any transactions or changes to your account. To ensure the security of your account, it is essential to keep your login credentials confidential and not share them with anyone. You should also regularly update your password and enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. In conclusion, the Banco Sabadell mobile app provides a convenient and secure way to manage your fixed deposit account. By following these steps, you can easily create a new fixed deposit, view your account details, and transfer funds. Remember to always keep your account information confidential and follow best practices to ensure the security of your account.